Lesson 6, Physical Facilities and Plant Engineering and Maintenance. Introduction to Physical Facilities. Definition of significance of physical facilities. Physical facilities encompass the tangible assets and infrastructure used in the production or operation of goods and services. O ang definition ng significance ng facilities kay George, pagbimo kay bali na ng mga produkto, para sakto ang ilang of service kay bali o good services sa mga ito may magtay si bali. Tapos, these assets include building, equipment, utilities, and supporting infrastructure. The significance of physical facilities in industrial settings cannot be overstated. Sa asset base, include mo doon mga gamit, mga building, diba, yung mga utilities, yung mga ginitahan ba, o mga gamit nyo mo, na yung matagamit sa iyo, kung sa inyo dali. They provide the necessary space, resources, and support for organizational activities, playing a vital role in facilitating operation, production, and service delivery. Magawa mga necessary na space, diba, kahulan, kung hawag ba, o gabay, research ba na, mga research ba nimo na maglatag sa iyo mga support sa organizational. Tapos, pag-deliver sa iyo mga production, production, and service delivery. Key component of physical facilities. Physical facilities consist of building, equipment, utilities, and infrastructure. So, amo na po kayo na mga facilities sa physical facilities. Mo na po mga kailangan sa facility consist of building, mura at naglawan kayo na equipment, mga utilities. Building provides shelter, workspace, and storage for equipment. So, amo na mga kinangalanan sa mga provide ng pagdaanan ng mga empleyado, ng trabahoan na libro, na plantado, sa storage for equipment sa mga ibawa sa drive storage pinaka. Equipment range for simple tools and systems. Utilities ensure essential service. Infrastructure support transportation network communication systems. Waste management and safety measures. Infrastructure supports tayo mo doon mga transportation dyan. Gabay signal sa mga communities ba ko sa mga ibang mga mga bayan. Para dito mga utik ang imo mga instrument bali kung may signal ang ito.
Role in supporting operations and organizational objectives. Physical facilities play a crucial role in supporting various aspects of organizational operations and objectives, providing workspace and resources for employees to perform their tasks efficiently, housing equipment and technology required for production processes or service delivery. Ang physical nga mga pasilidad hinungdanon alang sa organisasyonal nga mga operasyon nga naghatag usa ka limpyo, komportable nga lugar sa trabahoan alang sa mga trabahante ug jaon sa kinahanglan nga teknolohiya ug kagamitan. Gi-optimize sa mga team sa pagdumala kini nga mga kapangahuan alang sa epesyente nga mga operasyon. Pagpausbaw sa output, katagbawan sa empleyado ug kinatibuk ang pasundayan. Serving as a platform for conducting business activities including manufacturing, distribution, and customer interactions. Sa pag-conducting sa platform, isuportahan nila ang mga katuyuan sa organisasyon sama sa pagkunhod sa gasto, pag-uswag sa kalidad o katagbawan sa customer pinagi sa epesyente nga pagdumala o paggamit. Supporting organizational goals such as conduct production, quality improvement, and customer satisfaction through efficient facility management and utilization. Ang pagkunhod sa gasto mahimong makabot pinagi sa pag-optimize sa layout ug disenyo. Pagminos sa nausik na space ug pagpaadyo sa workflow.
Importance of facility layout. Design and location decisions. Facility layout design and location decisions significant impact efficiency, productivity, and operational performance. Number 2. Facility layout determines the arrangement of workspace, equipment, and resources within a facility affecting workflow, material flow, and employee productivity. Design consideration such as space utilization, ergonomics, and safety. Influence the effectiveness of facility operation and employee well-being. Location decisions impact factors such as transportation cost, access to markets, availability and resource, and labor pool, influencing the competitiveness and sustainability of the organization. And plant engineering principles, the definition, role and plant engineering. Plant engineering involves the application of engineering principles and techniques to design, optimize, and manage industrial plants and facilities. It encompasses various disciplines including mechanical, electrical, civil, and industrial engineering, with the goal of improving efficiency, reliability, and safety and facility. And the last is operation.
Principles of plant layout. Plant layout principles include functional layout, process layout, and cellular layout. Functional layout optimize workflow and minimize material handling. Process layout allows flexibility and adaptability to changing production requirements. Cellular layout considers ergonomic design for a safe working environment. So, ang principle of plant layout, ma'am, kay pasabot daw ang prinsipyo ng plant layout nagsiguro na ang disenyo kay marasaw og epektibo sa nan produktibo samtang tag-maintain ang safety ng mga trabahante. Principles of plant design and optimization. Space utilization. Maximizing the use of available space within the facility through efficient layout design. Vertical integration and storage optimization. Material handling. Designing system and equipment for the efficient movement, storage, and retrieval of materials within the facility, minimizing handling cost and cycle times. Energy efficiency. Implementing energy-saving technologies and practices to reduce energy consumption, lower operating cost, and minimizing environmental impact. So, ang pasabot ma'am ng principle of plant design and optimization kay dapat hanay an space sa isa ka pasilidad, plastado ang pagka-plaster sa mga gamit kung dili kung kanat pinaagi sa paggamit ng kabinet o mga butangan na pwede butangan usudlan ng mga gamit. Sa paggamit isab ng mga appliances na makabawas o hinay ang kaon sa kuryente, makatabang isab ini sa pagbawas sa impact sa ato environment. Maintenance accessibility. Designing facilities and equipment with ease of maintenance in mind. Facilitating preventive and corrective maintenance activities to ensure reliability and uptime. Safety and compliance. Incorporating safety measure and regulatory compliance standards into plant design and operation to protect employees, equipment, and the environment from hazard and risk. So, ang pasabot ng daw ma'am kay dapat maintain nato i-check nato mga gamit kung dili ba ini kung guba o angay ba na reparon o dasawon o pulihan na. Dapat sa ma-sure nato ang safety sa ato palibot, labi na ang safety sa mga workers suyod sa pasilidad para malikayan ang disgrasya o uno pa na mayaot na posible mahitabo.
Strategies of operational efficiency and productivity. Lean manufacturing. Implementing lean principles and practices to eliminate waste, optimizes processes, and improve overall efficiency and productivity. So, ang pasabot ko naman sa lean manufacturing kay hinay pang ilang process sa usa ka product. So, dapat nila i-improve pang ilang mga product para ma-aware po dag uban ng mga tao nga para makita nga mas mo improve pang ilang product. So hinay pang ilang pag-process. Continuous improvement, establishing a culture of continuous improvement through ongoing monitoring, analysis, and refinement of plant operation and processes. So sa continuous improvement, so dapat pa natong improve at sa ka product man para makita gyud sa mga tao nga atong analyze ang refinement of plant of operation and processes. So dapat pagayod na mo improve man. Automation and technology, leveraging automation, robotics, and digital technologies to enhance efficiency and currency and throughput in facilities operation. Training and development, investing in employee training and skill development to ensure a competent and motivated workforce capable of optimizing plant performance. So sa training and development to dapat pa kitang mo invest sa mga employee nato. Dapat makita natong mga skill para mo-develop ang atong company. So, dapat natong i-short so di man nato malikayan ngayon nga natin mga kakompetensya sa product. So dapat natong i-motivate sa atong kaugalingon nga maayo ta mo trabaho. So dapat at makita sa atong amo nga maayo atong performance.
Definition and importance of maintenance. Maintenance refers to the process of preserving, repairing, and optimizing physical assets to ensure their continued functionality and performance. It encompasses a range of activities aimed at preventing equipment failures, minimizing downtime, and maximizing assets' lifespan. Maintenance is a critical for sustaining operation efficiency, reliability, and safety in industrial facilities. Maintenance ito ay tumutukoy sa proseso ng pag-iingat at pagsasaayos ng mga pisikal na asset para matiyak ang patuloy na performance. Isa din ito para sa patuloy na operasyon ng kahusayan at katiyakan at kaligtasan ng pabrika at iba pa. Types of maintenance strategies. Number 1, preventive maintenance. Planned maintenance activities performed on scheduled interval to prevent equipment failures and prolong assets lifespan. Ang preventive maintenance, ini ang himo ng mga pabrika or mga company na para maghimo sila ng way na kan mapadazon or ma-prevent nila ang mga ila equipment na madaot daon then para sa dugay nila magamit mapakinabangan ng dugay na panahon amo daw ng preventive maintenance. Number 2, predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance approach based on the monitoring and performance data to anticipate and preventive failures. Kabilang preventive maintenance ay ang pagpapanatili ng lahat ng kailangan panatilihin sa anumang sitwasyon or kibali para dugay madaot ang mga gamit. Ito din ay mag-predict ng unoy mayaot na resulta para gumawa ng mga hakbang o higit pang mga aksyon para maiwasan ng mga sitwasyon. Number 3, corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is reactive maintenance performed in response to equipment failures or malfunction. Corrective maintenance is a correctional maintenance na hindi tulad ng prevention maintenance at predictive maintenance. Ito ay reactional sa halip ng proactive. Ito ay ang proseso ng pagsasaayos ng ibang problema.
Okay, so condition monitoring. The ongoing assessment of performance metrics and equipment condition in order to identify early indicators of degradation or approaching failures. Thermography, vibration analysis, oil analysis, and acoustic emissions are some of the condition monitoring techniques used in this procedure. This primarily affects large firms that need careful monitoring to keep the machinery and other processing units in good working order. Next is reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM, an approach to maintenance that optimizes tasks according to risk assessment, cost effectiveness, and equipment critically, called RCM 6, to save resources and maintenance costs while maximizing equipment performance and reliability. Next is system of software that automate the planning, scheduling, and carrying out of the maintenance are called the computerized maintenance management system, or also known as CMMS, where resource all allocations and decision making are made possible by the ability of CMMS to track maintenance, operations, asset history, work orders, and inventory management. This facilitates work order tracking, asset maintenance, and preventative maintenance scheduling, all of which enable maintenance personnel maximize their output, and all businesses maintenance department need to use this software. Next, improve equipment reliability. Maintenance method of technology assists in early detection of possible problems, enabling prompt interventions to avoid equipment breakdowns and downtime in order to prevent any lapses in upcoming procedure, and this is being done to control the existing conditions. Next is reduce maintenance costs. Preventative maintenance techniques extend the life of asset by reducing the need for expensive corrective measures and emergency repairs. Lastly, we have the regulatory compliance. Maintenance procedure guarantee adherence to safety, environmental and regulatory standards, lowering the possibility of mishaps, incidents, and fines for non-compliance. This mostly refers to the overall environment of the workplace, making ensuring that the operational staff members are safe in the location or the area where they're working.